All M3 members can create their own recipes as well as use the M3 recipes. To do so, navigate to the Nutrition homepage and click the Create Recipe button at the top right of the screen. You'll be taken to the Create Recipe form. This form allows you to do two things. One, create the basic information of the recipe, including title, description, serving size, number of servings, and photo. 2. Set a suggested recipe schedule where you can choose and schedule days of the week on which the recipe should be done, and the interval between these when the recipes should be eaten. For instance, you can set this recipe to be eaten every other week on Tuesday and Thursday. Now click Continue to Step 2. On this page, you'll add ingredients to your recipe. You can do this by searching for the food you're looking for. Once you've found the ingredient you wish to add, click Add to the recipe. Let's make a quick tomato salad. Start by searching for tomatoes. You want to add tomatoes to the recipe, so you'll click Add to Recipe. You're then prompted to quantify how many servings of this ingredient are in the recipe. You enter 2 cups and then click Submit. This adds 2 cups of tomatoes to the recipe below. You then go back up to search for a second food and search for lettuce and add 2 cups to the recipe and then click Submit. This adds 2 cups of lettuce to the recipe. You then go back up to search for a third food and search for goat cheese and add 1 ounce to the recipe and then click Submit. This adds 1 ounce of goat cheese to the recipe. Lastly, you'll go back up to search for the fourth and final ingredient, olive oil, and add 3 tablespoons to the recipe and then click Submit. This adds 3 tablespoons of olive oil to the recipe. You're now done adding foods to your recipe, so you'll click Save My Recipe, and the recipe's finished. Now you can see your recipe's ingredients and total nutritional values.